I hope you know, as well as Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, ShareSell, almost all large companies have affiliate programs. Also, you can get affiliate program for virtual product, digital product or service. For example, if you review a company's software, plugin, domain or hosting, and if the customer purchase that through your link, then you can earn a significant amount depending on the product. Of course, we will see in another video how to launch your own affiliate program system for your WooCommerce store. That is another topic. But today's video, we're gonna see how to add affiliate product or external product to your WooCommerce website. So let's get started. Okay, I am already in WordPress dashboard. You see WooCommerce plugin installed. So we need to create a new product to add external affiliate product. So click add new product. Well, before putting all information, let's take an example product. So you see here, this is product title and product image, picture, description, everything. So for example, we're gonna copy product title name from here. Okay, one more thing, if you are affiliate marketer, then this description, title, your review, what actually you are writing here, your honest review, your video, everything is very important because people will buy this product through your link after getting your honest review, your live review or something, anything, just. But today's video to show you actually the procedure how to add affiliate product to your WooCommerce store. So I'm gonna skip all of them. For example, I put here title, product name, and putting here some information, description. So copy and paste it here, and going to set product image. So it is already available here, and then some price. So example price. And from here, most important thing, click this drop down and you see external affiliate product. Okay. So here you need to put your affiliate product link. This is the link. For example, I'm gonna copy this link and put it here. Definitely your Amazon affiliate association product link doesn't look like this, but for example, I'm gonna put here and then the text, exactly the button. I'm gonna write get it on Amazon. And then if you want to put here any product link also you can do that. And attribute advanced, we have discussed detail all everything in our previous video. And you can put here product tag, okay, because when people search this product then they're gonna find it easily. And also product short description, I'm gonna skip all of them. This is just important thing that is general and you need to put here this link, that's it. So now click publish. Our product is published, so view this product and you see this is the product and this is button, and review description will show on this way. So if I click here get it on Amazon, then you see it will take us to this page. Okay, so guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share. Also write your thoughts in comment section. Thanks for watching.